We are here with the hero of 2024. Gamuga Gwarzon 2024. Malam me sunanka?
Bashir.
Bashir waye?
Tijjani.
Bashir Tijjani. Kana wani gari ne?
Ina Maiduguri.
Kana Maiduguri. To meye ne dalilin da yasa ka fito gaban Mopol ka tsaya kace kai baka yi ana zanga-zanga baka tsoron su harbe ka ko kuma baka tsoron ajima ciwo?
Bana tsoro.
Meye dalilin da yasa kai haka?
Ana jin yunwa, akwai yunwa.
Hello everyone, we are here with the hero of 2024. Yes, here is him. This is the location where incident occurred. Yes, this is the place. Yes, thank you. Someone has promised him 1 million with scholarship. So any update, we are going to update you. Now he is a future and he is complaining about the this in the country hardship and how the country is running. So that is it. Thank you.